Good morning, everyone. The next topic is platelets, also call it as thrombocyte. You can see this is a blood picture which is showing. So this is platelets. Okay, this is platelets. This is RBC cell. This is neutrophil. The platelets are very small. Okay, these are the smallest blood cell. Here the nucleus is absent. Okay, so like RBC, the platelets are not having a nucleus. The mother cell is a megakaryocytes. So mainly it is produced by megakaryocytes. It is like a stem cell. So from the megakaryocytes, the thrombocytes will be developed. So the important thing is the cytoplasm. So suppose this is a platelets. The cytoplasm mainly contain a contractile protein. So contractile means contraction. Okay. So mainly contain the contractile protein. So it will this type of protein get contracted. Okay. That is called thrombostinein. Understood? It is called thrombostinein. So also it contain a platelet derived growth factor. Platelet derived growth factor. This platelets which is rich in serotonin, thromboxane A2. Okay. So these are it contain many factors. So important you have to remember all these things. Okay. So one is a thrombostinein, then platelet derived growth factor, serotonin, thromboxane A2. Okay, thromboxane A2 which help for platelet aggregation. Okay, platelet aggregation. The normal count of platelet is 1.5 to 4 lakh per cubic mm of blood. Okay, so RBC compared to RBC it is less. RBC are in million, this is in lakh, but WBC are in thousands. Okay, so this is low platelet count leads to porphyria. It is one disorder, so I will tell later. Next, coming to the functions of platelets, very important function. One is first one, vasoconstriction by releasing of serotonin. So I already told the serotonin, the platelet mainly contain the serotonin. So vasoconstriction by releasing serotonin. Okay. So it will release a serotonin, vasoconstriction. So I will tell in the next class. Okay, what is vasoconstriction? Vaso means vascular system or blood vessels. Constriction. So constriction of the blood vessels. Next, second point, the platelet plug formation during bleeding. Okay, so during any injury, so immediately there is a platelet plug. Okay, so it will form the platelet plug and seal the wound. Next, third point, blood coagulation. So very important. Then provide the platelet factors which acts as a cofactor in many steps. So that means, so in the blood coagulation process, this is one process, blood clotting or a blood coagulation, it will provide a platelet factors. Okay, platelet many factors are there as already told. Platelet derived growth factor and all. So that will helpful for the activation of many cofactors. So many steps, activation of many steps. So in blood coagulation, so it will take place in different steps. Okay, so these platelet factors acts as a cofactor in activating these steps. So the blood coagulation will take place. Next one, clot retraction. So after clotting, suppose the clotting will form. This is the when blood vessels. So here cut will be taking place. So now after some time, so there is a blood clot will form and seal the injured part. So that time, after this, there is a clot retraction. Whatever the clot is formed here, so the process is called blood coagulation. So this clot will be retracted. Retracted means it coming reverse. Okay, clot retraction is taking place. So that is very important. So that stabilize the clot by squeezing the serum from the fibrin strands. Okay, so it is stabilization of clot. Whatever the clot is formed here, so it will stabilize, so make it strong. Okay, make it strong by squeezing the serum. Serum means what? Liquid. Okay, liquid portion of the blood. So squeezing, so it will remove the extra, whatever the fluid is there, it will squeeze the serum from the fibrin thread. Understood? Next, helps in repair of injured capillary endothelium. So whenever this cutting is there, cutting of the blood vessels, so after the clot formation and all, so there is a repairing mechanism takes place. So repair of injured capillary endothelium. Repair of injured capillary endothelium. Okay. So these are the important functions. So this is the picture which is showing how these are taking place. Whenever, so this is when this is the blood vessels, this is blood is flowing. So here the cut will be there. Okay. So whenever there is a cutting, the blood will coming out, right? So the blood will come out. So after blood oozes out, so it platelets immediately, the platelets which is present in the blood, right? So these platelets get agglutinate here. Okay, get agglutinate. So make a sealing. Okay, so temporary plug formation or platelet plug formation will takes place. So and helps in the fibrin, permanent blood coagulation is taking place. Now it stop bleeding here. Okay, so this is a clot retraction occurs. So after fibrin clot form, clot retraction occur. So next coming to how this is taking place, vasoconstriction. Okay, so vasoconstriction means whenever the blood vessels are cut. So it is very important. Okay, whenever the blood vessels, okay, suppose this is the blood vessels. Okay, the blood will passing through this, right? So whenever the blood vessels cut, the endothelium, okay, so endothelium is a layer. So blood vessels, so endothelium layer is there, okay, inside the blood vessel. So this endothelium is damaged. Okay, damaged endothelium. And collagen, okay, so collagen also present here will expose to outside. Okay, collagen is exposed outside. So immediately what will happen, the serotonin which is present in the platelets, okay, serotonin very important, I told. This serotonin helps immediately come make a attract the other platelets. So temporary plug formation. How the temporary plug formation is taking place? Okay, so this is collagen is exposing here. These are the platelets get aggregate, okay, by the action of serotonin. So vasoconstriction is taking place. So all the platelets get aggregate and make a plug formation. So this is how the steps. Okay, so whenever the vessel damage, so collagen get exposed. So collagen, so you can see here, so this is the collagen. Okay, this is the cut end. So this is collagen is exposed. So activation and aggregation of platelets. Activation. So usually these platelets which is present in the blood, in the circulation. So blood gets circulate in the body, right? Circulation means it is going to all the parts. So while circulation, these platelets are inactive. Understood? During circulation, the platelets are inactive. Only when there is a vessel damage, collagen expose, the activation of platelets are taking place. Understood? Activation and aggregation of platelets. So all the platelets will coming nearer. Okay. Suppose, so these are the platelets will be far. So whenever there is a wound, so all this will be gathered together. So aggregation of platelets. So after that aggregation of platelets, then so granules get discharged from the platelets. This acts as a chemical mediator, and there is a synthesis of thromboxane A2. Okay. So from the platelet the granules get discharged, that will produce a chemical, acts as a chemical mediator, and synthesis of thromboxane A2. So this synthesis of thromboxane A2, so both chemical mediators and thromboxane A2 will cause activation and cause the contraction of vascular smooth muscles in blood vessels, or contraction of the blood vessels is enough. Okay. So in the blood vessels, all the blood vessels in the body is made up of a smooth muscle. Okay. So this thromboxane A2 will cause the contraction of the smooth muscle of blood vessels, and vasoconstriction, platelet plug formation is taking place. Clear? So this is how. Understood? So I will explain again. So whatever that function I told, so vasoconstriction. So vasoconstriction is a how the temporary plug formation is taking place. So whenever there is a cutting of the blood vessels, endothelial damage, this is the endothelial layers get damaged, so the collagen get exposed. Okay, so these are the collagen. So immediately what will happen, there is activation. I told these are in far away, so these platelets are inactive in circulation. Only when there is a damage they get activated. So otherwise what will happen, the collagen get exposed, so these platelet plug get activated. So this platelet will release the chemical factors and also a thromboxane A2. Okay, chemicals and thromboxane A2. So both this chemical and thromboxane A2 will cause the activation of, contraction of smooth muscle of blood vessels. Okay, contraction of vascular smooth muscles in blood vessels. So finally leads to vasoconstriction. Vaso means vessels, constriction means contraction. Okay, and a platelet plug formation. Clear? So that's complete the functions of platelets. So this is a picture which is showing. So this is the RBC cells. These are the platelets. These are the RBC cells. So what will happen when there is a wound? So broken blood vessel wall. This is broken. So all the RBCs are coming out, means that the bleeding is taking place. So immediately there is an activation of platelets takes place. Activated platelets and will form a temporary plug. Okay, you can see here. So temporary plug over the RBC. So after temporary platelet plug formation, there is a permanent sealing or a permanent clot will be formed. Okay, that is another mechanism is there. For that mechanism also the platelet will help. So this one what I told, blood coagulation. So I think all of you understand this mechanism. So first, vasoconstriction, whenever there is a cutting of the blood vessels, first the serotonin is released from the platelets, that will cause a vasoconstriction. So after vasoconstriction, so there is a attraction or activation of platelets and aggregation of platelets at the site of injury is taking place. So after this, the platelets will release many chemical agents, acts as a mediator, and thromboxane A2. So both will cause the contraction of smooth muscles of blood vessels. Okay. So this contraction will cause a constriction and formation of platelet plug and seal the further loss of blood. Okay. Seal the blood vessels and prevent the further loss of blood. This is the main function. After this, there is a permanent clot formation is taking place. For that also, it will help for the acts as a cofactor for activation of many steps in the blood coagulation. So after blood coagulation, there is a clot retraction is taking place. That is, clot retraction is the fluid will be oozes from the clot. Okay, because of the presence of contractile protein in platelets. Understood? These are the very important and common question functions of platelets. Okay, understood?